Hello, my name is Brittany Petito. I am doing my country report, module 14 for my EDF 4810 class. I'll be presenting the country of Sudan today. I will be discussing its locations, geography, history, educational system, teacher requirements, and how it compares to the U.S. and its culture. Sudan is a country with rich history, but also faces modern challenges. Location and geography. Sudan is located in Northeast Africa and shares border with several countries, including Egypt and Ethiopia. One of its most important natural features is the Nile River. It plays a huge role in the daily life of Sudanese. The northern part of Sudan is mostly desert, while the central and southern areas have more grasslands and tropical climate. Because of this, the environment can be very harsh, especially in the desert regions. Now that we understand where Sudan is, let's look at its history. Sudan has had a long history that goes back to ancient civilizations like the Kingdom of Kush. The Kingdom of Kush is one of the first civilizations in Africa. It was later controlled by Britain and Egypt before gaining its independence in 1956. Sudan experienced long periods of conflict, especially between the North and the South, which eventually led to the creation of South Sudan in 2011. Today, Sudan is still dealing with political and social challenges. These challenges have had a big impact on Sudan's educational system. Sudan's education system includes primary, secondary, and higher education, with primary and secondary being 3 years apiece. Primary school lasts about 6 years in total, followed by secondary education, which is college. Arabic is the main language used in the schools, but English is also used, especially in higher education. Many children, especially those who live in rural areas, have limited access to education. Poverty and conflict has made it harder for students to stay in school. Next, I'll talk about what it takes to become a teacher in Sudan. To become a teacher in Sudan, individuals usually need a bachelor's degree in education or a related field. Their training includes teaching methods, classroom management, and subject knowledge. However,